Okay, so we're out here in the city of Leeds, UK, and we're gonna try out Chris Howe's Hyperlapse tutorial. I got my Sony A7III with me, with the Tamron 28-75. We're gonna take a hyperlapse of that building right over there. Okay, so our settings are shooting raw, obviously. I'm shooting at 28mm, so my shutter speed, I want it to go as low as I can. I'm gonna try and go 1/30. The aperture, that's how I'm gonna control the exposure, and the ISO, I'm gonna have it set to the lowest, which is 50. White balance is gonna be set to cloudy so that we don't have any color shifts, and the autofocus is gonna be set to this little green square that you see right here. So I'm gonna be moving this around to find the suitable spot, and I'm not gonna move it after that. And as you can see, I have the grid right here, and I'm gonna pinpoint a section of the building to where one of these lines cross. That way I always take the picture in the same exact spot. In addition to that, let me see if I can get it here. I'm gonna have the level activated on the viewfinder. That way the photos are all leveled. Okay, so here I am, one picture, one step at a time, always focusing on the same spot of the building. Big thanks to my friend Saeed for coming out with me to shoot on the day. Okay, so here's what the sequence looks like without any post-processing. And here's what it looks like after playing around with the warp stabilizer in Premiere Pro. Let's include that into some B-roll.